Welcome back to Bourbon and Boost. Today, guys, we're going to show you the new tow pig that we got. Not my favorite brand truck, but this truck's been around me for a while, and well, for a long time. And I got it for a good price, and it'll work perfect for what I'm doing. So let's get started. So guys, if you haven't already, go to Facebook, Bourbon and Boost, find me, follow me, comment, message me. If anybody is better at social media, please let me know if I'm doing this page right. I'm trying to do like I guess like everybody else does, and have a page on Facebook for Bourbon and Boost. Find me on Instagram, Bourbon and Boost, TikTok, Bourbon and Boost. All of them are now Bourbon and Boost, guys. I really appreciate all the people that have stuck with me through this. It's been hard for me to just make this switch, but it was necessary, and hopefully we can bring in more people to the channel, guys, and we can all have more fun. So let's get back to your regular scheduled program. So guys, before we talk about the new truck tow pig sitting in the driveway, as you can tell, the garage is getting full. We got the drag week trailer in here. The Monty is up on wooden blocks. There is a reason for it. I'm going to try to get the suspension fully set as far as the coilovers, the pressures, because we're going to try to go to the Ohio Valley next Friday for test and tune. The hood is supposed to be back this Friday. Hopefully, he's trying to get it done. He's ran into some issues. As you can tell, the catch can's still missing. I got to get with Steve on that, see when he can knock it out real quick. But mainly, we're going to make another video on this probably tomorrow or this weekend on setting the rear coilovers, trying to set the anti-roll bar, and we'll get into that whole mess. But as you can tell, the car is super clean. It has been clay barred. She's nice and pretty right now. I do got to get all the vinyl off the windshield because I want to go have it tinted, very dark. So, whoop, back around now. We don't have a whole lot to do left on the car, but we definitely need to get it tested, get the suspension set right. I'm going to make some phone calls to see if somebody can help me out. If any of you guys have any clue on G-body suspension, drag suspension specifically, and can help me out, I would really appreciate it. The lost my train of thought. The pinion angle, there you go, is set the way I want it. It has been set. It seems to always do really good there. I'm not messing with that. But if anybody has any ideas on what to set my double adjustable coilovers at, they're Viking double adjustables if you watch the other videos. I don't really know where to start. I'm gonna call Viking and ask them, but I could use your all's opinion and how to set the anti-roll to know kind of how to do that. I am gonna make phone calls, but if any of you guys have any better ideas, it would be greatly appreciated. But we're gonna make another video on that because I know it's gonna be somewhat of a process. And like I said, we got the drag week trailer in here. What do y'all think? I need your all's opinion. Ignore this. We had tornado style winds here in Louisville yesterday. I got this out of a cop car from a buddy of mine. We're gonna put it in the drag week trailers to run the lights that are going on it. But do y'all think we should mount this rack here to the top of this or not? We don't really need it on the top, but I just want your all's opinion. Just something fun to play with. We're just kind of messing around. That's about it. But let's get to the new tow pig. Some of you are gonna like it, some of you probably won't. I'm not even 100% on it yet, but for the price I got it, I couldn't pass it up. So here she is, guys, 92 crew cab F350 dually. I picked this truck up from pretty much somebody that's like my second dad. He's been my dad's good friend since as long as I can remember, since I was a kid. He's my dad's racing partner. You probably see him on the channel every now and then, just bits and pieces. His name is Kenny. He's had this truck for a long time. It's been around me a long time, and he decided to get rid of it. Now, I need some love, but for what I paid for it, I'm gonna spend more on tires than when I paid for the whole truck, guys. It's 2-wheel drive. There's one bad thing. There's a couple small bad things about it. It needs some exhaust work. The bedside has been damaged before. He had a blowout on each side. He got this one on, but we're gonna do some work to it, you know, and we got to find gas doors. If anybody has gas doors for one of these and the piece that holds these in place, that would really help me out. It needs a rear bumper, but he has a rear bumper he's given me. And this bedside's messed up too, but he has another bedside for this side also that he's given me. It's not the prettiest, but it'll do what I need, and it was a steal of a price. Interior's in really good shape. I love that it's a bench seat, has AC and everything. Great. Already has a brake box. Exactly what I need. So, just got interrupted. Kids. Unfortunately, it does need some work. Like I said, it needs some exhaust work, needs some bedsides fixed. You can't even see me there. It's not the prettiest. I have an idea of something I want to do to it. Yeah, I mean, it's not the worst. There's no major rust or anything like that. It is 2-wheel drive, and unfortunately, not unfortunately, it's what I want. Some people ain't gonna like it, but whoop, this truck is okay. There we go. So guys, the truck, some people ain't gonna like this. It is a 460 big block truck, 2-wheel drive. I wanted a gas dually again, or I wanted a gas dually in the first place. I had a diesel dually. Right now we're trying to find diesel parts if they break, the cost of diesel parts if they break. For what I want this for, I do not want to deal with that crap. It's a 460, super strong motor. Steve knows all about them, considering that's what's in Martha, which, go check out Martha's page on Facebook. Martha, the F100. Find him on Facebook, like him, follow him. And you'll see more of Kurt the Cart too. But Steve knows all about him. It runs okay. It needs a tune up. It needs some love. But we're gonna get it back to a presentable truck and possibly paint it, but not with what you think. I think we're gonna paint it this color right here. Right there, right, yep, that color. I really kind of like the Massey Ferguson gray, and I have a whole bunch of it. I think we're going to just sand the truck down because it has clear coat peeling everywhere, and just shoot it with tractor paint basically. It's more reliable. I can beat the crap out of it, but we'll probably do that, paint all the chrome, any chrome pieces on it, paint them like a semi-gloss black, and just have fun with the truck, guys. I mean, all I need is it to haul my car, and stop tearing up my 1500, and possibly if we get an enclosed trailer, be able to haul it, me not have to worry about it, because I'm really considering getting a 30-foot or 28-foot enclosed to haul the car and the drag week trailer. Because as of right now, when we go to Midwest Drags, Joe's gonna haul the trailer, Steve's gonna haul the car on my trailer, and we're gonna have to take 2 trucks up there, where if I had an enclosed, we wouldn't have to do that. If we like Midwest Drags, we like the drag and drive events, and we're gonna do more of them, that's definitely gonna be an option for the future. But guys, that's really what, all that's been going on in the garage. I've spent hours upon hours upon hours clay barring this car. And I'll probably do it again and wax it. It really needs a buff, and I was gonna pay somebody to do it, and I can't afford it right now because we still got some other things we need to buy before we even consider that. But that's it, guys. Stick with me through this week, and we have more stuff coming. We're gonna be working on the rear suspension, and I will make a video on it, why I crawl my fat butt up under that thing and try to get everything set how we need to. If any of you guys have any ideas on how to set the anti-roll bar and the coilovers, please let me know. Guys, I really appreciate it. Find me on all the social media platforms, Bourbon and Boost. Until next time, guys, we'll see you later.